Regarding making money online, what you'll find here is priceless. Making money online today is simpler than ever due to so many people doing business on the internet. At one time, consumers were reluctant to shop online, but now it is much safer and people are warming up to the idea of giving credit card information online. If you would like to make money online and in search of good tips on how to do so, then continue watching below. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Before you can earn money, you'll have to prove you're who you say you are. You will have to provide valid identification at many online money-making sites. If you haven't gotten a digital copy of your ID and other information, you may want to find these things before doing anything else. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a non-profit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. As stated in the above video, more and more people are making money online today because consumers are less afraid of shopping on the internet. Now that you have great tips to follow, you can get a piece of the internet money-making action. Keep these ideas in your head as you constantly seek new ways to make money online. Student loan.